Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I greet all of you. How are we all doing today? I hope all is well with you. Yeah, we are back again on a new video reaction. As you know, yesterday DPM made a post about recognition that UAB government have just grabbed. We are going to go through it, but before then, I want to remind you that this coming May 30th of May, this coming May event in US, 30th of May event that US government have already scheduled and the plan and everything is out there. So I want to use the opportunity to encourage you. If you are living in Canada, in US, in Asia, in Europe, even in Africa, and you are financially okay to fly for that event, do not hesitate. Go and grab your ticket. The link is out. Go and take your ticket, book for your ticket and all that, and make sure you are there. So if you're in America, do not shy away from this because no, the head office in Washington DC are going to be very, very, very busy. So do all you can to see yourself there because as they pass by, we are having a kind of exciting news, a very good information, a very good news. One of them is why we are here. That's the essence of this video. But I will have to start by reminding you that ticket is available for you to go and grab your ticket and find your way to US, for that event. The 30th of May is not actually, on a normal day. It's not just a regular day and all that. If you don't know what it means, if you don't understand what the 30th of May represents, that means it's either you're a newcomer or you are just lying to yourself. But for sake of this video, 30th of May is a day of Memorial Day for Biafran, for fallen heroes and the heroes. So what that means is that those who have suffered, who have paid the utmost price, the ultimate price, like buying and all that, those who have done a lot, all right, those who lost their life because of freedom. That day is the day that Biafra have mapped out to remember them. It depends, no matter how you buy and all that, but you buy on that process or you apply for that, for believing in the freedom and all that. 30th of May is a day that every Igbo person, every Biafran, is not IPOB. Let's just understand it clear. It's not just IPOB. It's beyond that. It is just a day that even Igbo politicians try to fight it, and they have realized that there's nothing to fight here. It is just what you need to do. Now, for those of them that claim that IPOB, Biafran, people talking about Biafrans are causing problems, in fact, they are terrorists and because Igbo politicians are the one that profile, gave IPOB that ugly name, like calling them terrorist organization. They are the one, but they did it out of ignorance. They don't know that they themselves, what they did is actually, they just profile themselves to be terrorists without knowing. Because when you hear indigenous people of Biafra, it's not about registered member of IPOB like US are trying to make it look like. It's not. It's not. So it's a total different thing altogether. When you hear about Biafran IPOB, you're talking about freedom. You're talking about indigenous people. You're talking about people who understand the quest for freedom, people who understand what our people are passing through, and they will have something to offer to navigate navigate their way out from this stronghold from shackles of darkness, which is what Nigerian government are giving. If you are doubting me, go and watch the video that is trending. How a young man was being shot by a police officer, and that video is trending as we speak. A lot of people have made video about it. People are talking about it. This is just one out of million. If you begin to analyze what happened to other people, you even say that what happened to the guy looks is more decent and more honorable. Yes, death is very, very, It depends on how people died, and this kind of in a strategic claim is something that no matter how you want to paint it is very very horrible. But there are some people that this same police and same army, take them away to unknown location. You don't know what happened to them. Some of them, they poured acid on them. Some of them, they harvest their internal organ and all that. So this is something that is very, very horrible and is bad. It's very, very bad and very, very, very terrifying. But like I said, if you compare what is going, what I'm trying to say in essence, let me just summarize is that what is happening there in entire Nigeria is not something that any human being would like to witness. This is just one out of many. People are talking about this on just some of them are talking about it just for content creation, just to create content. Some are even talking about it willingly from their heart. They actually want to do something, but they cannot do anything because they are handicapped. You see, when we talk about Remembrance Day, we are talking about appreciating people that have sacrificed a lot. We are talking about appreciating people that have devoted their time to do that which many of us cannot do. We don't encourage people to buy. We are not encouraging people to sacrifice their life for something that is not worth it. We all know that we are in a very, 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 very difficult situation and a very big mess. People that believe they can offer something, they are doing it. You that cannot offer anything, when we talk about remembrance, we are trying to play it down. Don't you think that you are not normal? Because normal people will not do that. Again, United States of Biafra is not just a name. United States of Biafra is not just an organization. United States of Biafra is not just, gathering of friends or gathering of, brotherhood. No, it is needful. Like it is something that you have to do. It is necessary. It is necessity. People need to understand this. After declaration, there's a purpose. There's a reason why people, Biafra declared their independence. There's a reason for that declaration. There's a purpose, there's a target. Nobody, PM did not just wake up and say, let me declare it for declaring sake. I want us to have fun and stay together and marry together. No. There's need. There's a result. That's what is expected to come out of that declaration. And that has come, and that the result is here. The question is, who is holding the results? Who is actually following the template? Who is actually following that which PM himself defined? And people from different parts of the world have gone through it and they have seen it all. They realize that this is what we must do and how we must go about it. Just like when last time we were playing, whose video was that? If you go to we were playing. I played a video of one of the US member who said that not DS member, he just this confused guy, Obi-Wan, who said in the interview that PM, it betrayed Mas Namanukano by running speed and doing that, just like what Ike Gurago normally said, that PM is getting it right, but he has to stop. That famous video of Ike Gurago is actually speak volume. That is the mindset of thousands or millions of people that used to believe in DOS. I have to bring that video for you to understand what I'm talking about, because that's something I want to touch it before we then go to the main bone of contention of the video. This video is about to celebrate a kind of celebration, celebrating a very big win from United States of Biafra by having one recognition. It's not actually a country recognizing US government yet, but this organization is more or less like a country. OEAS. This is Organization of Emerging African States. We are coming there. We are going to talk about it at any part of this video. I want you to use the opportunity to click on the like button. Many of you watch and go. Next thing you turn around and tell me, "Kai report. We are solidly behind you." You need to start behind me now by making sure you are supporting what we do here. And the easiest way to do that is to click on the like button and subscribe if you don't mind, please. I'm begging you, I'm not compelling you, I'm not forcing you to do something that you don't want to that you don't want to do. But I've given you reasons why you need to do that. Now, speaking of people who actually understand the template and the reason why PM did what he did, their problem is not that PM is not getting it right. But the problem is that he's running too fast. Can you imagine that? Because their mindset has been to remain in IPOB as an organization while people are contributing their hard-earned money for them to fund their family and to enrich themselves. Oftentimes we hear people are building duplex, some are building storage building, some even have hotels. We used to hear this, whether it's true or not. But I'm a kind of person that believe that in every atom of rumor, there must be a truth. In every rumor, there must be an atom of truth. Now, I want you to hear what Ike Guragu said then. That thing he said is actually the problem from the US for different reasons, though. Some of them are saying that because they actually think that PM moving to get Biafra to following the template is against Mass American because they want Mass American to be the one spearheading everything and just wait until he comes out. That is a very myopic group of people. Some are actually agitating against PM simply because moving the way PM was moving stops them from making money from contribution. Hear what Ike Gurago said back then.
Work accordingly. Do not be faster than your shadow. Do not follow the rubbish they're talking about.
Pay attention. You are going to hear him because
Open my mouth to say that you are not doing well, that I'm a fool. But stop.
What he said here may not be clear to you, but I have to amplify it by telling you what he said. He said, Simon Ekpa, if I tell you that what you are doing, that you are getting it wrong, then know that I'm a fool. But you have to stop. Common sense will tell you, since you know what he's doing is writing, why then telling him to stop? You see the problem. It's not as if he don't know that what PM is doing is right. He claimed that he know that what he's doing is right thing to do, but he must stop. Stop to achieve what? To do what? You see. Now listen.
Stop. Stop. Simon, I'm warning you, stop.
Yeah, he's warning him.
Stop. Work accordingly. Do not be faster than your shadow.
Yeah. That's the problem. We know that what you are doing is okay, but you are doing this thing, you are getting it very right, and you are running fast about it. How is that a problem? If truly you want Biafra, you know what I mean. And that's the reason why I'm saying this. Just listen.
Do not follow the rubbish they're talking about. If I intend to open my mouth to say that you are not doing well, then I'm a fool. But stop. 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 Simon, I'm warning you, stop. Stop. Work accordingly. Do not be faster than your shadow.
Did you hear that, right? I believe you captured that. If I Ikenga, tell you that you are not getting it, then I am a fool. But you have to stop. The same thing is what we are hearing today. That DPM is running speed. How can she declare Biafra? Declaring Biafra simply means that this honorable that I'm using in attached to my name, you just want to take it away from me. You have to stop. You have to stop this your declaration. Let us fall back. the same mindset, the same tactics, the same pattern. Coming next month is Memorial Day. If you lie, keep on lying to yourself. You have every opportunity to be in Washington. You have every opportunity to be there and do the needful. Namandi Gina Canopy. You have to. Most especially those of our brothers and sisters, our mommies in US, map our time and go there and respect our people that are paid the utmost price. They are paid the ultimate price, and they are not just they did not just sacrifice. Their sacrifices is what brought us so far. Their sacrifices is the hope. And that's the beacon of what we are saying today. You can't just fold hand and expect miracle to occur. The needful has to be done. All right? So let's quickly go to the recognition that we are talking about. So yesterday, or to some of you today, it depends on where you're watching from, DPM made a post and said, press release. Organization of Emerging African States, OEAS, recognizes and will be part of the May 30th Memorial Day event of the new nation United States of Biafra, USB, in Washington, D.C. and in Africa. Big recognition for the newly declared United States of Biafra, USB. This thing may sound to you common, but to me it's not common. It is something that people should be proud of. To some of you who may not understand this OEAS, their job and what it represents. This group, it kind of is helping other people, other states, people that want to have their freedom, helping them, and it's actually registered under United Nations. I saw that yesterday. I was like, wow. So this recognition is very, very good. This approval, and they're going to be in Washington, D.C., meaning that they're in support of what Biafrans are, what the Biafrans are representing or what they represent. So let us just appreciate that and be happy because it is a win-win. A win-win. Those of them that say you must, without you going to Capitol Hill, that you have not started. The USB government have a department called Foreign Affairs Minister or Foreign Affairs Ministry. This department is the one engaging diplomatically, doing the needful. Unlike Ogeke, a man that he is the leader of his group, because his own is group, not the government. He is the financial minister of his group. He is the foreign affairs minister of his group. He is the information minister of his group. Okay, so if you are pleased with how North Korea is, North Korean president is leading the country, then that is where Ogekere is heading to. But Ogekere own is North Korea own look more is real than Ogekere own, still far away from that. But the mindset of Ogekere is that of North Korea. Occupy every position, get rid of anybody, any threat, and always eliminate anything that will threaten you or anything at all. The target is about me. Make me a leader, allow me to be a leader. I have to be the leader. I should be a leader. I look like a leader. There's nothing you can do without me being a leader. Everything is under me. So that is what Ogekere is doing. And many of their group, are not aware of this. So anybody telling you any other thing is lying to you. We cannot just pretend that we don't know this. We do know, we understand that people from different parts of the world, knows who is who. They know who is not hidden. Some people may want to pretend that it doesn't matter. It matters a lot. Anybody that understand the freedom movement will not waste time with Ogekere. apart from those that are somehow, have some, they call it condisiva. They are the ones still hanging around the man. But the truth of the matter is that current concern, people know who is who. No, so my people, let me know what you think about it, and please like the video. Thank you so much. Like the video and tell me what you think about all we discussed so far in the comment section. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.